Hello everyone, I Hiral Popania. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about synthesis of biological substances from amino acid in our body. The synthesis of the biological substances in our body from the amino acids, they are the catecholamines, then the melanin and the 5-hydroxytetramine, that means the serotonin. First, we will see the biosynthesis of catecholamines. Catecholamines, they are the derivatives from the tyrosine amino acid. The name catechol refers to the dihydroxylated phenyl ring. That means it contains the catechol nucleus. The amine derivatives of the catechol are called catecholamines. Tyrosine is the precursor for the synthesis of the catecholamines, namely dopamine, norepinephrine and the epinephrine. The other name of the norepinephrine, that is the noradrenaline, and epinephrine also known as the adrenaline. Catecholamines, they are the derivatives of the amine, so they are known as the catecholamines. It contains the dihydroxylated phenyl ring, that means the catechol nucleus. The main tyrosine, that is the amino acid from which the catecholamines they are derived. The main precursor, that is the tyrosine. The catecholamines, they are the dopamine, norepinephrine and the epinephrine. It is also known as the noradrenaline and the adrenaline. Conversion of the tyrosine to catecholamines occur in the adrenal medulla and the CNS system. The main tissue where the conversion of catecholamines from the tyrosine amino acid, that is the adrenal medulla and the CNS system. Here is the structure of catecholamines. First structure, that is the dopamine, then the norepinephrine and the epinephrine. The main difference between the norepinephrine and the epinephrine, that the epinephrine contains the methyl group, that means CH3 attached with the amine, where the norepinephrine that not contains the methyl group which attached to the amine. So no epinephrine, that means no methyl group. Epinephrine, that have the methyl group which attached to the amine. The first reaction, tyrosine is hydroxylated to 3,4-dihydroxyphenylalanine, which we know that is the DOPA, DOPA, by tyrosine hydroxylase enzyme. This enzyme catalyzes the rate limiting reaction and requires the tetrahydrobiopterin as a coenzyme, like phenylalanine hydroxylase, which we seen in the previous lecture. The tyrosine is present in the melanocyte convert the tyrosine to DOPA. The first reaction in the biosynthesis of the catecholamines, that the tyrosine is hydroxylated to the 3,4-dihydroxyphenylalanine, which is also known as the DOPA, by tyrosine hydroxylase enzyme. This enzyme catalyzes the rate limiting reaction and requires tetrahydrobiopterin as an enzyme. Tyrosine is enzyme present in the melanocyte which convert the tyrosine to DOPA. Two different enzyme systems exist to convert the tyrosine to DOPA. That means in the first, that tyrosine hydroxylase enzyme that convert the tyrosine to DOPA, whereas in melanocyte the tyrosinase enzyme that tyrosine converts to the DOPA. So two different enzymes and two different systems convert the tyrosine to DOPA. The next reaction, that is the DOPA undergo the PLP dependent decarboxylation to give dopamine, which is hydroxylated to produce the norepinephrine. The DOPA which undergo the decarboxylation, which is dependent on the pyridoxal phosphate, that means the PLP, which gives the dopamine, which is the our first catecholamine. When dopamine is hydroxylated, it produces the norepinephrine, which is the second catecholamines. Next, methylation of the norepinephrine by the S-adenosyl methionine gives the epinephrine. We know the main difference between the norepinephrine and the epinephrine, that the epinephrine contains the methyl group which is attached to the amine. So the methylation is required to produce the epinephrine. So here is the methylation step, that the norepinephrine by S-adenosyl methionine, which gives the epinephrine. The difference between the epinephrine and the norepinephrine is only a methyl group. So the first reaction in this step, that the tyrosine that convert into the DOPA. Then DOPA undergo the decarboxylation and gives the dopamine. When dopamine is hydroxylated, it produces the norepinephrine. Then methylation of the norepinephrine, which gives the epinephrine. So here is the first, that is the biosynthesis of the catecholamines. There exists tissue specific in the formation of the catecholamines. In adrenal medulla, synthesis of the hormones norepinephrine and the epinephrine is prominent. That means here is the tissue specific formation of the catecholamines. That means the adrenal medulla, in that the synthesis of the norepinephrine and the epinephrine, that is the prominent to the dopamine, where norepinephrine is produced in the certain area of the brain, while dopamine is predominantly synthesized in the substantia nigra and coeruleus of the brain. The norepinephrine that is produced in the certain area, whereas the dopamine that is the produced in the substantia nigra and the coeruleus of the brain. Function of the catecholamines. The norepinephrine and the epinephrine regulate the carbohydrate and the lipid metabolism. That means the hormonal regulation of the carbohydrate and the lipid metabolism. The norepinephrine and the epinephrine hormone regulation, that regulate the carbohydrate and the lipid metabolism. They stimulate the degradation of triacylglycerol and the glycogen. That means glycogen breakdown and the triacylglycerol breakdown, they stimulate, that means they stimulate the degradation process of both substances in our body. They cause an increase in the blood pressure. Dopamine and the norepinephrine serve as a neurotransmitter in the brain and the ANS system. That means autonomous nervous system. The first function of the catecholamines, norepinephrine and the epinephrine, regulate the carbohydrate and the lipid metabolism. That means hormonal regulation. They stimulate the degradation of the triacylglycerol and the glycogen metabolism. They cause the increases in the blood pressure. Dopamine and the norepinephrine serve as the neurotransmitters in the brain and the ANS system. Here is the pathway of biosynthesis of the catecholamines. The first, that is the tyrosine, that is converted into the DOPA. In this reaction, there is a tyrosine hydroxylase enzyme and its coenzyme, that is the tetrahydrobiopterin. It is converted into the dihydrobiopterin. The tyrosine gives the DOPA molecule. Next, the conversion of the DOPA to dopamine, that is the PLP dependent decarboxylation enzyme, the dopa, which convert into the dopamine, which is the first catecholamine. The next reaction, that is the dopamine, is converted into the norepinephrine, that is the enzyme, the dopamine hydroxylase enzyme. For this reaction, there is a ascorbate, that means vitamin C is required for this reaction. The norepinephrine, that is the converted into the epinephrine. The main enzyme, that is the phenylethanolamine and methyl transferase enzyme. Here the norepinephrine, that is the methylation, is done where the amine group is attached with the methyl. So dopamine, norepinephrine and the epinephrine, they are the catecholamines which are derived from the tyrosine. The next, the synthesis of the melanin. After dopamine, norepinephrine and the epinephrine, the melanin, that is the biological substance, also produced from the or they derived from the tyrosine amino acid. The melanin, that means the melan, meaning in Greek, that is the black, that is the pigment of the skin, hair as well as the eye. The synthesis of the melanin occurs in the melanosome, which is present in the melanocyte, the pigment producing cells. The melanin, that means the black color, that is the pigment which is responsible for the black color of our skin, then the hair color and the eye. The synthesis of the melanin occurs in the melanosomes. The melanosomes, that is the present in the melanocytes, and the melanocytes that produce the pigment, which are the producing pigment in cells, which is present in our body. The melanosomes, that is the site where the melanin is synthesized, and the melanosome, that is the present in the melanocytes, which are the pigmenting producing cell. The tyrosine, that is the precursor for the melanin, and only one enzyme, that is the tyrosinase enzyme, which is involved in the formation of the melanin. The responsible enzyme, that is the tyrosinase enzyme, that produce the melanin from the tyrosine. The tyrosine, that is the precursor for the melanin, which is the pigment producing. The tyrosinase enzyme, that is the copper containing oxygenase enzyme. The tyrosinase enzyme, which hydroxylates the tyrosine, which form the 3-dihydroxyphenylalanine. The DOPA, the first reaction in the synthesis of the melanin, where the tyrosinase enzyme that hydroxylates the tyrosine, which forms the 3-dihydroxyphenylalanine, that means the DOPA. Then DOPA can act as a cofactor for the tyrosinase. The next reaction, that is the catalyzed by the tyrosinase, in which DOPA, that is the converted into the dopaquinone. Again the tyrosinase enzyme that converts the DOPA into the dopaquinone moiety. The subsequent couple of the reactions occur spontaneously, forming the leukodopachrome followed by the 5,6-dihydroxyindole. The first reaction, in which the tyrosine, that is the converted into the DOPA, dihydroxyphenylalanine. The next, the tyrosinase that also convert the DOPA into the dopaquinone. Next, the reactions which are occurs in the spontaneously. That means the from dopaquinone it converts into the leukodopachrome, and also the leukodopachrome that is converted into the 5,6-dihydroxyindole. The next, that is the oxidation of the 5,6-dihydroxyindole to indole 5,6-euquinone is catalyzed by tyrosinase enzyme and the DOPA that serves as a cofactor. These reactions also catalyzed by the tyrosinase. The 5,6-dihydroxyindole, its oxidation which gives the indole 5,6-quinone, which is also catalyzed by the tyrosinase enzyme. This reaction inhibited by the tyrosine regulates the synthesis of melanin. The melanochrome are formed from the indole quinone, which on polymerization are converted into the black melanin. The melanochrome are the formed from the indole quinone, that means indole 5,6-quinone, which on the polymerization, that means the melanochrome polymer, they are converted into the black melanin. Another pathway from the dopaquinone is also identified, that is the cysteine condense with the dopaquinone, and in the next series of the reaction result in the synthesis of the red melanin. That means the another pathway for the dopaquinone, in which the dopaquinone is condensed with the cysteine, that is the cysteine, that is the amino acid, and in which the synthesis of the red melanin. In the further pathway where the black melanin is produced and the cysteine and the dopaquinone which produce the red melanin. The melanin, that is the color pigment in our body. The skin color of the individual is determined by the relative concentration of the black melanin and the red melanin. That means the ratio of the black melanin and the red melanin that determines the individual skin color. This is the dependent on the many factors, both genetic as well as the environmental. That means skin color of the individual person, which is dependent on the genetic factor and the environmental factor. These include the activity of the tyrosinase enzyme, the density of the melanocytes availability of the tyrosine. The other factor that is the responsible for that is the activity of the tyrosinase enzyme and the density of the melanocytes, where the synthesis of the melanin occur, and the availability of the tyrosine, which is the precursor for the synthesis of the melanin. That means the factors which are responsible for the skin color, that is the genetic as well as the environmental, and it's contain the activity of the tyrosinase enzyme, then the density of the melanocytes and the availability of the tyrosine. The presence of the moles on the body represent a localized severe hyperpigmentation due to the hyperactivity of the melanocyte. That means the moles in our body which represent the severe hyperpigmentation which leads to the moles. It is due to the hyperactivity of the melanocytes. Localized absence of the degeneration of melanocytes result in the white patches on the skin, commonly known as the leukoderma, which is a skin disorder. The hyperpigmentation, that means the hyperactivity of the melanocyte, which leads to the mole in our body. And the other condition where the absence or the degeneration of the melanocyte, that means degradation part of the melanocyte result in the white patch, which is known as the leukoderma. The albinism, that is the inborn error with generalized lack of the melanin synthesis. The albinism, that is the inborn error disease in which the melanin synthesis is blocked. The main difference, that is the leukoderma and the albinism. The leukoderma, the skin disease where the local absence of the degeneration of the melanocytes which result in the white patches. And the albinism, that is the inborn error where the lack of the melanin synthesis, that means there is no melanin synthesized in the body. The pathway of the melanin synthesis, in the first reaction where the tyrosine is converted into the DOPA. The enzyme responsible for that is the tyrosinase enzyme. The next, DOPA, that is the converted into the dopamine. Again, the responsible enzyme, that is the tyrosinase enzyme. The dopaquinone, that is the converted into the leukodopachrome. This reaction, that is the reaction is speed up, that means spontaneous occur into the body. The leukodopachrome, that is the converted into the dopachrome. The dopachrome, that is the converted into the polymer chain. The polymer chain, that is the known as the brown or the black pigments. The leukodopachrome, that is the converted into the dopachrome, that is the 5,6-dihydroxyindole, and the 5,6-dihydroxyindole, that is the converted into the indole 5,6-quinone. The 5,6-quinone, that is undergo the polymerization chain, that means melanochrome. This melanochrome polymer, that is the known as the black pigment. The another pathway where the cysteine amino acid and the DOPA, that is converted into the cystenyl dopase. The cystenyl dopase, that is the converted into the benzothiazinyl alanine, and the benzothiazinyl alanine, that is the converted into the red pigment. So the red pigment and the black pigment, that is the concentration of these both pigment responsible for the individual skin color. The next biological substance, that is the serotonin, that is the 5-hydroxytryptamine. The serotonin, which is also known as 5-hydroxytryptamine or the 5-HT, is synthesized in the special, that is the serotonin producing cells of the tissues like the gastric mucosa, intestine and the brain. These synthesized in the special tissues like the gastric mucosa, intestine and the brain, where it contains the special cells, that is the serotonin producing cells. It is synthesized from the tryptophan. In the catecholamines and the melanin synthesis, where the catecholamines and melanin synthesized from the tyrosine amino acid, where the 5-hydroxytryptamine, that is the synthesized from the tryptophan moiety. The tyrosine and the tryptophan, both they are the aromatic amino acids. The first, the tryptophan, that undergo the hydroxylase. The indole ring, tryptophan contains the indole ring. The tryptophan hydroxylase enzyme that converts into the 5-hydroxytryptophan. The tryptophan is undergo the decarboxylation. After the decarboxylation, it is converted into the 5-hydroxytryptamine, that is also known as the serotonin. The tryptophan, that is the undergo hydroxylation, where the indole ring goes to the hydroxylation. That means the hydroxyl group is attached to the indole ring, that is the 5-hydroxytryptophan. The next, the decarboxylation reaction occur, where the carbon dioxide moiety is removed and it converts into the 5-hydroxytryptamine, that is the serotonin. The functions of the serotonin: it is a potent vasoconstrictor, that means it is the vasoconstrict, produce the contraction of the smooth muscles, stimulates the cerebral activities. Deficiency has depressant effect, and it produces and is not transported. Its excess causes excitation of the cerebral activity. Mainly it's a vasoconstrictor and it produces the smooth muscle contraction. The serotonin stimulates the cerebral activity, that means it concentration is excess, it goes into the excitation of cerebral activity, whereas its deficiency, it means its level is decreased in the cerebral depressant effect into the cerebral, and it is produced into the tissue but it is not transported. So these are the functions of the serotonin. It's in high concentration, it excites the cerebral activity, where decrease the concentration, it goes into the depressant effect. Clinical aspects: enzyme, that is the MAO, catabolize the serotonin to 5-HIAA, that is the 5-hydroxyl indole acetic acid, which is excreted into the urine. The iproniazide drug prolong the serotonin action by inhibiting the enzyme. It produces the psychic stimulation due to the increased cerebral activity. The reserpine releases the bound serotonin, making it readily available to MAO action, thus depressing the cerebral activity. The enzyme MAO, that is the monoamine oxidase enzyme, that catabolizes, that means it metabolizes the serotonin into the 5-hydroxy indole acetic acid. The 5-hydroxy indole acetic acid, which is excreted into the urine. The drug iproniazide. This drug prolong, that means stimulate the serotonin. That means they inhibit the enzyme MAO. So the serotonin produce its effect in the prolonged time. So it produce the psychic stimulation and it leads to the increase in the cerebral activity. The reserpine release the bound serotonin, making it readily available to the MAO action. That means reserpine that stimulate the MAO enzyme action. That means that serotonin readily available to the metabolism with MAO enzyme, monoamine oxidase enzyme. So there is a decreasing the level of serotonin in the body. So it leads to the depressing activity of the cerebral. So iproniazide that stimulate the serotonin action, where the reserpine that inhibit the serotonin action. The iproniazide that inhibit the enzyme. So there is an increased concentration of serotonin, so increase the cerebral activity. Whereas the reserpine drug, that the serotonin readily available to the MAO enzyme, so the serotonin metabolism is increased, so in body serotonin is decreasing, so which leads to depressing activity in the cerebral. So these are the clinical aspect of the serotonin. So the biological substances from the tyrosine, that is the catecholamines. In catecholamines, that is the dopamine, norepinephrine and the epinephrine. And the second, that is the melanin, that is also produced from the tyrosine. And the last one, that is the serotonin, that 5-hydroxytryptamine produced from the tryptophan. Thank you.